This 2025 Jayco Jay Feather 26FK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 31 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, air conditioning, TV, refrigerator, spare tire kit, Slideout, Skylight, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Jay Feather 26FK is 7,238 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.